Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Survey 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the PPB. So, as you know, the principles and practices of banking target series we have started. That is the English medium series, in which we are discussing 10 questions every day on a particular topic. So, in today's session, we will be talking about the questions on the KYC norms. So, what is KYC? KYC simply means know your customer. And what is know your customer? Simply a procedure that has to be followed by all the banks and financial institutions to get the identity of their customer. To know their customer, to get the identity of the customer, they have to perform this procedure. So there are certain KYC documents which are required to give to the bank by the customer, so that the bank will be knowing that of whom, which customer they are opening a bank account. Apart from that, there are certain these documents are known as officially valid documents. So there are the list that has been given, that these are the only documents that will be taken as a KYC procedure. Okay, so let's continue the session. In this particular session, we will be talking about the KYC questions for today. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, you can see the first question is talking about that, one second, that the travel agency is example of low risk customer, high risk customer, medium risk customer, both A and C. So what do you think, which of the following is correct in the context that travel agency is what type of customer in the risk categorization? So if we talk about the customers has been divided into three categories as per the risk. So there is a low risk, medium risk and high risk customers are there. And if I talk about the travel agency, it is a low risk customer. So the travel agency is an example of your low risk customer. Okay, whose transactions will be easily identified. That's why they are known as a low risk customer. So the right answer will be your A option. Now Second question is talking about high risk customers should update KYC in how many years? Okay, so if I talk about customers are divided into three categories like medium, high or low risk category. So there is a certain duration that has been defined between which duration the customers have to perform the KYC updation. So periodic updation of KYC is required for the customer as per their risk categorization. So here we are talking about high risk customer. The high risk customer have to do the periodic updation or have to perform the document, because we know the customer profiling is keep changing, Hana. So when the customer profiling is keep changing, like the location of the customer, the source of income of the customer, the amount of the income of the customer, they keep changing after a while, Hana. So that's why a certain duration has been defined that after that the periodic updation of KYC should be done, and that for high risk customer is 2 years. Okay, now next question is talking about third question. Simplified due diligence required for which of the following account? The simplified due diligence is required for which of the following account? Is it required for a small account, the medium account, the big account, or all of the above? So SDD, you have heard about customer due diligence, Hana. Under the customer due diligence, we have studied about the enhanced due diligence. We have studied about the simplified due diligence. So this simplified due diligence will be done for what kind of accounts? A small account, that is also known as BSBD account, basic saving bank deposit account. Or is it the medium account? Is it the big account, or all of the above? Which of the following is correct? So the right answer will be small account, where there are certain conditions has been given, like how much amount of deposit can be done, how much amount of loan can be taken within a year, how much amount of withdrawal and transfers are allowed. All these things or all these points or terminology or the conditions are defined under the small account, Hana. So the simplified due diligence is required for the small accounts. Next question, fourth question is talking about that cross-border wire transfer report, that is CBWTR, has to be submitted by principal officer by 31st March of every year. Is it correct? True or false question it is that the cross-border wire transfer report that is submitted by the principal officer to the FIUIND. Okay, this report is submitted by the principal officer to the FIUIND. So should this report, or can we say this report is submitted to the FIUIND on the 31st March of every year? Is it correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following will be correct? So the right, sorry, not the A, B, C, D, true or false question it is asking, like, is this a statement is true that at the every year 31st of March, this report should be submitted by the principal officer to the FIUID, that is Financial Intelligence Unit India. So the answer of this question will be false, because this report should be submitted by principal officer to the FIUIND 15th of every month, है ना? The 15th of your succeeding month, the report should be submitted by the principal officer to the FIUID. That's why the statement is false. Now, the next question is talking about which of the following is or are correct full form of the CCR. So, which of the following is a correct full form of CCR? First is saying your cash convertible report, second is saying cash conversion report, third is saying counterfeit currency report, and fourth is saying none of the above. So which of the following is correct about the CCR report? Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? So the right answer for this particular currency will be counterfeit currency report, that's the C option. है ना? The right answer will be counterfeit currency report, C. Okay, that's the fake currency report that has to be submitted by the principal officer to the FIUIND on the 15th of succeeding month. Now, next question. Which of the following is our restrictions for accounts of non-face-to-face customer with OTP based eKYC of Aadhaar? So, which of the following restrictions has been given in case of non-face-to-face customer is there, and the KYC process is happening with the OTP? है ना, one time password. You are performing the OTP based eKYC of Aadhaar for the non face-to-face customer. So which of the following are the restrictions that has been given in these accounts? First is saying aggregate balance of all deposit account of customer should not exceed 1 lakh. The aggregate of credits, है ना, in a financial year in all deposit accounts taken together shall not exceed rupees 2 lakh. Credit we are talking about here. Now next we are talking about for borrower account only. Term loan shall be sanctioned and the aggregate amount of term loan sanctioned shall not exceed 60,000 in a year. Fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following will be correct? A, B, C or D? In case of the non face-to-face customer for whom the OTP based, है ना, for whom the OTP based eKYC has been done. A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? So the right answer for this customer will be, for this option will be D, because all are the restrictions that has been put, that has given by RBI for the customers who are performing non face-to-face KYC, OTP based Aadhaar verification. Okay, so right answer will be D. Next question is talking about for the purpose of financial inclusion, है ना? For the purpose of financial inclusion, small accounts was introduced. Now, what is financial inclusion? Simply to link each and every person with the financial products and services at an affordable cost, that is known as your financial inclusion. And for this purpose, the small account has been opened in which no minimum deposit is required to be maintained. The amount, loan amount, the deposit amount, everything has a certain limited guidelines as per the RBI in case of small account. So the small account has been provided for the disadvantaged population of our country, for the weaker section of our country who are not able to maintain a certain deposit, minimum deposit as per the bank's guidelines. So that is the small account. है ना? So small account facilities has been provided for financial inclusion. So these accounts are subject to which of the following restrictions? So under the small accounts, है ना, which has been provided for the financial inclusion, which of the following restrictions should be kept in mind you are performing or you are providing the services to the customer? First is saying The aggregate of all credit in a financial year not exceed rupees 1 lakh. Like in a year, you can't take more than 1 lakh loan. Second is saying the aggregate of withdrawal and transfer in a month not exceed 10,000. Like within a month, more than 10,000 withdrawal or transfers are not allowed. Then foreign remittance not to be credited, है ना? Like the transfer of funds from India to foreign and from foreign to India is not allowed until you provide the KYC, है ना? Or all of the above. So which of the following restrictions are true in case of the small accounts which has been introduced for the KYC purpose? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct? Let me know which of the following is correct. Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will be all of the above. All of the above are correct in case of your small account. These conditions or these restrictions should be followed. Apart from that, one more restriction is there that at any time the deposit in the bank account of a small account should not exceed rupees 50,000. So not more than 50,000 deposit can be maintained by the customer who is having a small account. But there is exceptions, like exceptions is like if the government grants are coming, that is more than 50,000. Social schemes benefits is coming, that is more than 50,000, then you can maintain that amount in this account. Otherwise, no, at any time, amount should not exceed the 50,000 rupees. Okay, so right answer will be D option. Next, the eighth question is talking about eKYC is mandatory for which customer? BSBDA customer, savings account customer, DBTL customer or BSBDA small account customer? So BSBD stands for Basic Saving Bank Deposit Account, okay? So which of the following is correct? Let me know. A, B, C or D. So the right answer will be direct benefit transfer LPG customer. Hana, so direct benefit transfer LPG customers are the type of customers for whom the eKYC process is mandatory, electronic KYC process is mandatory. So the right answer will be your C. DBTL means direct benefit transfer LPG customer. BSBD stands for basic saving bank deposit account. Okay. Now the next question is talking about as customer profile is likely to change over a period of time, it is necessary to undertake periodical updation of customer data and documents that may have expired or in case of changes. So you have to do the periodic updation. So question is asking periodic updation is required to be done at least every dash years for high risk customer, at least every dash year for low risk customer and at least every dash years for medium risk customer. So do let me know what years should come here respectively. So which of the following is correct? Let me know. So which of the following is correct? Okay. So right answer will be for high risk customer it will be 2 years. For low risk customer it will be sorry 1 second. For high risk customer it should be 10 years. Okay, for low risk customer it should be 2 years. For medium risk customer it should be 8 years. So 10, 2 and 8 will be the sequence. Okay, so for high risk customer Acha, I have written ulta. One second. I have written ulta. So for high risk customer every 2 years, for low risk customer every 10 years, for medium risk customer every 8 years. This is required. Okay, this is required. Next. So 2, 10 and 8 will be the sequence. Now the next question is talking about which of the following is not a part of officially valid documents. So out of these, which of the following is not a part of officially valid document? First is saying passport and driving license. Second is saying proof of possession of Aadhaar number. Third, voter identity card or the job card issued by Narega. Now what is Narega? It is now known as Manrega. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, in which 100 days, minimum 100 days guaranteed employment is provided by the government to the persons. Hana. Now next is all are OVDs, officially valid documents. So which of the following is correct in context to your officially valid document? A, B, C or D? Okay, very good. So the right answer for this particular question will be your D option. All are the officially valid documents. Hana? All are the officially valid documents. The right answer will be D. Very good. Now let me know, out of these 10 questions, how many answers you have given correct. Hana? Out of these 10 questions, how many answers you have given correct. So you can see here, there are two batches which are starting on 20th of February. These are the two batches starting on 20th of February. And you will get 78% discount by using a code Y496. Right now, the very attractive offer that is going on, that is on the ebooks and test series. By using a code Y496S, you will get 23% discount on all the test series and the ebooks. Hai. So what are you waiting for? This is the highest discount the test series and ebooks are having right now. So do register by using a code Y496, and you can go with the Mahapacks also. Mahapack will be having a 78% discount. The code will be same that you have to use. Now what if I talk about the difference between the target batch and the Mahapack? So if I talk about the Mahapack will cover the additional certain things apart from the target batch. Now in the target batch you are getting the conceptual classes, ebooks and test series, right? But in case of Mahapack, you will be getting these three, obviously the conceptual classes, ebook, test series. But apart from that, you will be finding the revision batches, case study batches, MCQ batches, numerical batches in future, whatever it has been in launched. Hana? So how to enroll? Just download the Adda 24/7 application if you haven't downloaded yet, because 1% additional discount is available there. Now how to enroll? Just click on, if you want to go with the target batch, click on the JAIIB 23. If you want to go to the JIB CIB Mahapack, click here. Hana? So do read these details. All these are the batches. You can click on the view all, you will find it. And you will find the test series here. Hana? The test series is here. If you want to go with the video course, these are the video courses available. If you want to go with the ebooks, these are the ebooks available. So everything is available. In whatever product you want to enroll, you can enroll. If you, let's say you want to go with the by English medium target batch. Now do read all the details. You can check the study plan here. So AFM and retail banking study plan is already available. Hana? So you can see that retail banking will be taken by Vishal sir, and it is starting from the 20th of February, and the AFM will be starting from your 10th of March. That will be taken by the Niharika ma'am. Okay, and you can see the PPB and IEIFS schedule will be coming soon. Hana? The date will be announced soon. So how to enroll? Just click on the buy now option, enter a code here, that will be Y496, and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find this discount that is of 77, but 1% additional discount will be available if you purchase from the application. Hana? So do make sure you purchase from the application to get 1% additional discount. The same process will be used in the Mahapack. Hana? The same process will be used in the Mahapack. The same code will be used for the Mahapack, that is Y496, and you will be getting the discount. Now how to enroll in the test series? Just click on the test series. When you click on the test series, you will find 32 tests are there, and you can find the schedule also. Like mock 1 is available, mock 2 will be available on the 27th, and the schedule is properly giving here. So you can go and click on the buy now option, enter a code here, that will be Y496S, and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find here 22% discount, but for 1% additional discount, what you have to do? you have to go and use the coins on the application. So 6 months validity is there, and 900 something, like 900 around or less than 900 you have to pay to get the test series. 50 plus test will be available, validity will be 6 months. Okay, so this is the information for all of you. Remember, the code for the mock test and ebooks will be Y496S. Okay, and right now 23% off is going on, that is available till 12 p.m. only. So if you are thinking about ebooks and test series, now do enroll soon before the 12 p.m. so that you will get the 23% discount here. Okay, so let's end the session here, and those people who watch our sessions on recording, so do make sure you let me know in the comment section that how much score you got out of the total 10 questions. Okay, so thank you for joining the session. Last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers Adda 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Right, so thank you for joining the session and have a good day. Take care all.